Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. When you plant your flower containers, hanging baskets, window boxes, or prized houseplants this year, try our #1 bestseller, Black Gold Enriched All-Purpose Potting Mix for best results. Our natural and fertile blend is great for indoor and outdoor container plantings, and it has superior moisture retention and excellent drainage to encourage strong root development and vigorous growth. Black Gold Enriched All-Purpose Potting Mix contains Canadian sphagnum peat moss, bark, compost, perlite, earthworm castings, dolomite lime, and a control-release fertilizer to feed your plants for up to 6 months. Visit blackgold.bz to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos, articles, and our Ask a Garden Expert free horticultural advice service. We also offer $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next Black Gold purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.